How to delete trending searches on Android phone. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this tutorial. To delete your trending searches on your Android phone, you need to open up your Google Chrome. Now at the bottom section, you will find some of your trending searches. To turn it off, it is pretty simple. Scroll up, tap on the setting gear icon, select turn off. And as you can see, it has been disappeared. To turn it back on, tap on the icon again and select turn on. Isn't it simple? However, if this option is not available for you, follow this next step. Press and hold onto your app and head to app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Then check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch into airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Turn it back off. Then connect to your Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once done, now open up your Play Store. In here, you need to search for your Chrome and tap on it. If there is an update for your Chrome, just leave it for an update. If not, you need to uninstall it and reinstall it later. Also check for your system update and make sure that your mobile system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.